Yes students, now we are going to see the 10th question of problem set. Find the quadratic equation. We have to form the equation such that its roots are. That means as we say generally we have a two roots alpha and beta. Now they said alpha is square of sum of the roots. Alpha is what? So square of sum of the roots, and a beta is square of difference of the roots of the equation. This is the equation they have given. So be clear with this. They said one of the root is square of sum of the roots. That means what we are taking, as you know, we are taking alpha and beta. So let alpha equals to what we have taken, as they said what, एक जो root है alpha, sum of the roots, okay, square of sum of the roots. तो हमने क्या किया, alpha plus beta the square लिया, and beta क्या है, square of difference of the roots. वैसे ही minus करना है square of difference of the roots. Written. Now we have got alpha is this and beta is this. So then what is the equation given here? This is the equation. So I am writing the equation again here. The equation is what? 2x square plus 2p plus q the x plus p square. Now with this we are comparing and finding ABC. A is 2 and B is 2p plus q and C is p square plus q square. Written here. Yes. Now what we have learnt, sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. So here we are writing alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and alpha into beta is c upon a. So now firstly, yes, so alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a, that is what you will get, minus b. B is what here you can see 2p plus q. So we are writing in that place, and a is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we are left with what, minus p plus q. Okay, and here c upon a. C is what, p square plus q square upon a is 2. So we have found out alpha plus beta is what, and alpha into beta. So we got it p square plus q square upon 2. We have kept it ready. But this what to do in this sum? We are supposed to form a quadratic equation. So forming a quadratic, is the rule, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So alpha plus beta. So exactly here what is our alpha? Can you see here our alpha is alpha plus beta the square and beta is here. So we are going to sum it this one, alpha plus beta the square plus alpha plus beta. Beta is what? Alpha minus beta the square. So here what we are going to do? A plus b the whole square formula, alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square, plus this is a minus b the whole square, so alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus b square. Here plus 2 alpha beta and minus 2 alpha beta gets cancelled. So 2 times alpha square plus 2 beta square. So we can take a 2 common here. So we got alpha square plus beta square. But still our sum didn't stop here. We have got what, I am writing it this again. You remember the identities we have learned here? This one, that is what the identity is, alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta the square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay dear, so we are going to write it in this place, this whole. So 2 and the big bracket here, alpha plus beta the square minus 2 alpha beta. Clear? Why we have brought this one? Because we have the values for alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. We don't have the values for this type of a term. So we have converted into this one. So now 2 alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Is nothing but a minus p plus q the square. Okay. And minus 2 into alpha beta means what? P square plus q square upon 2. Understood here? Now 2. This is in square, within the square. This is within the square. So we will, I repeat again, alpha plus beta means what? Minus p plus the q the square minus 2 alpha beta. 2 into this part. Now what is this here? This minus sign is within the square. So minus minus become plus. So we got 1 p plus q the square, and this, it is in multiply form. So 2 gets cancelled. Minus p square plus q square. It is in this form, right? 2 into, what is this? A plus b the whole square formula. A plus whole square, p square plus 2pq plus q square minus p square, minus into plus minus q square, right? Now this plus p square and minus p square gets cancelled. Plus q square minus q square gets cancelled with what and what? 2 and 2pq. Okay. So what did we get? 4pq. So what is in the place of, as we said, forming a quadratic equation, x square minus alpha plus beta. In this place alpha plus beta we will write 4pq. Now what to find? Alpha into beta we need to find. So again our first sums, what it comes? Alpha plus beta square, because our alpha is alpha plus beta square and beta is alpha minus beta square. Okay, so now we have the value for alpha plus beta. Hey na dear, alpha plus beta value we have it here, but we don't have the value for alpha minus beta square. So again we have to use the one identities, alpha minus beta square equal to alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. So in this place, in this minus place, we are going to use this. This we already have the term, this one. Okay, so what we will do, firstly we will solve this one here. Where we are going to write? In this place, alpha. So alpha plus beta the square is what? Minus p plus q the square minus 4 into alpha. Alpha beta is what? P square plus q square upon 2. Now this is in multiply form, I can cancel it, and minus, as we have done here, minus minus become plus. So we are left with p plus q the whole square minus this 2, okay, and p square plus q square inside here. Now we will use a plus b the whole square formula, p square plus 2pq plus q square minus 2p square, minus into plus minus 2q square. So what all we have? This is 2. This is a like terms, these two. So p square, that is here 1 is there. 2 minus 1, 1 p square, but 2 is bigger. So minus plus 2pq. Okay. And plus q square minus q square, it becomes a minus q square here, because 2 is bigger. Now what I can take? I can take a minus outside. Yeah, if I take a minus outside, so what I'll get it? P square. All the signs changes. 2pq plus, and here also this become a what? Plus here. So what is this formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can have a minus b the whole square. Similarly we can have p minus q the square. So what did we get? In the place of alpha minus beta square, we got p minus q the square. So you understood. Now we are going to put it here. What is alpha plus beta? Minus p plus q the square, and we got alpha minus beta. We have worked only, that is into minus p minus q, okay dear, square, and this is what? Alpha minus beta the square. That place we have right. So as we get minus p plus q the whole square, so that means minus minus become plus. So p plus q the square, this is in multiplication form, and minus p minus q the whole square. We can take a minus outside, okay, and we can put it commonly like this, p plus q the square and p minus q the square. Okay, how would I have put it? See, this only minus and I have taken out, and rest all remains the same. Now what is this? Here also you have a square, here also have a square. Like for example, if you have a square a square and b square, like a square, and can I write it like this, ab the whole square? Yes, together. So similarly what I'm going to do, minus p plus q and p minus q, and together I have put a square here. Okay, now what happened? This forms a plus b and a minus b. How it is looking? High, a plus b and a minus b. So can I write it a square, that is p square minus q square. Okay, and what do we have outside here? The square. This should not forget, that square is out here. So you are having it here, this minus out, and this p square minus q square here. So this is the thing, you have got it. Now what is this? Alpha into beta, we have got this part here. Okay, so what did we get? Alpha into beta this. Now you can write a quadratic equation, the required quadratic equation. Okay, the required quadratic equation is what? We will write it directly. You remember the equation, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta. What did we find out? Alpha plus beta. This is the thing now we have found out. sum of the roots here. Remember, alpha plus beta is this. So we got it 4pq, right? What do we get? 4pq. So we are writing 4pqx and plus alpha into beta. We have found out this one only here. Minus of p square plus minus q square of square equal to 0. Then if you want, you can convert it into as this one, plus into my x square minus 4pqx plus into minus p square minus q square of square equal to 0. So the required quadratic equation is finally this one.